Abilities. Thanks a lot, Ashley. Well, flu season is officially upon us, and that leaves many questions for what this season will have in store for us. Here today to talk about what to expect this flu season during the pandemic is Dr. Virginia Bieluch. She's Chief of Infectious Diseases at the Hospital of Central Connecticut. Thank you very much for joining us today.
A pleasure to be here.
Well, what are you expecting to see this flu season exactly?
Well, the one thing we know about influenza is that it's unpredictable. We do know that influenza activity is increasing both nationally and in Connecticut. Most of the cases thus far have been in children and young adults, and I'm anticipating that influenza activity is going to continue to increase over the coming weeks.
Now, for the record, I have received my flu shot, but why is it so important for people to get those shots?
The most important defense we have against influenza and its complications is an annual influenza vaccine. The vaccine works to decrease both infection as well as severity infection, but it does have to be given once a year because the strains that are circulating do change on a yearly basis.
Well, people are getting their vaccine shots, the booster shots. Will people be able to get their COVID-19 booster when getting their flu shots this year?
Absolutely. Both COVID vaccine and influenza vaccine can be administered at the same time. Studies have shown that you will get the same immune response to both vaccines and the same side effects whether you receive the shots together or separately. So by all means, one-stop shopping if you need a COVID shot in addition to your flu shot.
Now, I've had this conversation with a lot of family and friends, and that is there a way to tell the difference between flu symptoms versus COVID-19 symptoms?
Unfortunately, there's no way to clinically tell the difference. Both COVID-19 and influenza cause respiratory illnesses that are contagious from person to person. The symptoms can be very similar. The only way to know for sure whether you have COVID-19 or influenza is by testing. And remember, you can have both flu and COVID-19 at the same time. So testing is key. We have treatment for influenza. We have some treatment for early COVID, and we're anticipating having some more treatments available to us in the near future. So testing is key.
All right. Great advice this afternoon. Dr. Virginia Bieluch, thank you very much for joining us. And you too have a great weekend.
You have a great weekend and rest of your day.
All right. Thanks a lot.